as Lena stepped into her home after a long day at work. Her heart sank at the sight that greeted her. Bruises adorned her children's delicate skin, marring their innocence with silent accusations. Shock and horror flooded her as she realized that something had gone terribly wrong in her absence. How could this have happened? What had her children endured while she was away? But hey, before we dive into the story, do yourself a favor and pause the video right now. Go hit that like button and let's see if we can make this video reach 1,000 likes. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to your favorite story channel. Also, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and weirdest stories. Trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming your way. Now sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we take you on an unforgettable ride. Don't forget to engage with us in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Without further ado, let's dive right in. But the events leading up to this heartbreaking discovery began on a seemingly ordinary day, with Lena torn between her responsibilities as a mother and her desire to pursue her career. As a devoted mother to her son Jeremy and baby daughter May, Lena had always been hesitant to leave them in the care of a nanny. Yet circumstances had forced her hand, leaving her with no choice but to entrust their well-being to a stranger. Lena's inner conflict raged as she grappled with the decision to return to work or sacrifice her career for the sake of her children. Despite Todd's reassurances and encouragement to hire a nanny, Lena's maternal instincts screamed in protest, warning her of the potential dangers of leaving her precious ones in the care of another. With a heavy heart and lingering doubts, Lena reluctantly agreed to hire Bella, a young woman recommended by an agency. Despite her initial misgivings, Lena hoped that Bella would prove trustworthy and capable of caring for Jeremy and May in her absence. However, Lena's fears and suspicions only intensified as she observed Bella's interactions with her children. Bella's forgetfulness and confusion regarding basic details about the children raised red flags in Lena's mind, sparking a sense of unease and mistrust. Doubt gnawed at Lena's conscience as she struggled to reconcile her desire for independence with her primal instinct to protect her children at all costs. Each passing day brought with it a new wave of anxiety and uncertainty, leaving Lena on edge and unable to shake the feeling that something was amiss. Her worst fears seemed to be confirmed when she returned home one day to find bruises on Jeremy and May, their innocent faces marred by the unmistakable signs of harm. Panic seized Lena's heart as she confronted Bella, demanding answers and struggling to comprehend how her children had come to be injured under her care. But as Lena grappled with her anger and despair, a shocking revelation emerged that shattered her preconceptions and challenged her assumptions. Through tearful apologies and heartfelt explanations, Lena learned that Bella's intentions had been pure all along, and the bruises on her children were the result of an innocent accident rather than deliberate harm. With her eyes open to the truth, Lena realized the extent of her own insecurities and the damage they had wrought upon her relationship with Bella and her children. In her relentless pursuit of protection and control, Lena had overlooked the love and care that Bella had poured into her role as a nanny and the bond that had blossomed between her and the children in her care. In the end, it was a humbling lesson for Lena, a reminder that love and trust are often intertwined with vulnerability and forgiveness. Through Bella's patience and understanding, Lena came to see that sometimes the greatest act of courage is not in protecting our loved ones from harm, but in opening our hearts to the possibility of healing and redemption. As Lena watched her children dance and laugh in the warmth of their home, she knew that their journey together was far from over. But with Bella by their side, she felt a newfound sense of hope and gratitude, knowing that their family was stronger and more resilient than ever before. And as they embraced in a tearful reunion, Lena whispered a silent prayer of thanks for the gift of forgiveness and the power of love to overcome even the darkest of fears.